Good afternoon. Michael Jonah here. It is December 17th, 2014. And I just wanted to just give you a quick view of the Russian ruble priced in silver. Okay. The chart would look very similar for gold as well. Um, this highlights the importance of having precious metals in your portfolio, um, at least, a certain percentage, because if you're in Russia, obviously, precious metals is doing exactly what precious metals are designed to do as real money, and that is reflect their true value in the currency of your country, okay, that you happen to live in. Um, so obviously, we all have heard that Russia has been having a bit of a currency crisis. That we all know that it's been politically attacked, economically attacked, and it's also the target of a currency war, um, and pretty much unfounded, I may say. Um, that the price of the ruble should not be declining to the degree that it is, given the underlying fundamentals overall of the Russian, economy and everything that's occurring. Um, if you're in the United States and you happen to be looking at never-ending high deficits, never unfunded liabilities that can't possibly be maintained, that are continuously increasing, a chronic trade deficit, and an economy that has been basically destroyed by policies over a number of years. I'm not going to get into all of that, but the only thing keeping the game afloat right now is basically the empire's control of the U.S. dollar, being maintained as the significant trade currency internationally. Of course, when that changes, the dollar is going to be priced based on the fundamentals of the economy of the United States, and that is when Americans are going to have a serious wake-up call. And that is at the time that you are going to want to have a portion of whatever you can, or a percentage of whatever wealth that you are able to accrue in precious metals. There's no question about it. And right now, with the price of silver, in my view, is probably going to go down a little further. I mean, I really don't. If oil goes down to 40 a barrel, I can see, silver being $12, like nothing, easy. And that can make people crazy if they purchased, in at a higher price, which is likely the case. Um, some may be, at $30, $40 purchased in, or they may have been purchasing on a dollar cost average, or they may have purchased when silver was $17 an ounce, going back 6, 7 years ago. And now they're saying, what the hell? Now, we're back to where we were 6, 7 years ago, and I've been holding on to this, you know. I mean, I know people like that actually that bought quite a bit, and have not seen the result that they think they thought, but they're convinced in their mind that ultimately the fundamentals is going to win out in the long run, and that the manipulations that we've seen, and that the paper pricing of physical metals and the paper markets having control over the physical markets is going to come to an end, and that it'll probably likely do so at a very similar time as to when the US dollar is replaced by some other alternative in global trade. And that is what they're betting on. So I just wanted to show this to everyone, that in Russia, silver priced in rubles, precious metals are doing exactly what they're designed to do, and that is reflect real wealth in a deteriorating fiat currency environment. And Russia has definitely, it's definitely in a bit of a currency crisis right now, even though it really, quote, shouldn't be. Just happened to be manipulated to this point, like everything else on this planet that seems to be at this point, whether it be interest rates, in the United States, whether it be, currencies, whether it be stock markets, bond markets, silver price, gold price, no matter what it is, it seems like, the whole world is managed via those paper markets, um, and control uh, through the key central banks of the world. So have yourself a good day. Take care. Michael Jonah.